Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Hope all of you would be fine and safe at your homes. Our class today is Friday and we are going to study a little about grammar. Let's see what are we going to study today. And yes, what we are going to study today is adverbs. You must have been familiar with parts of speech in the English language. Out of all those 8 parts of speech, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, all these, adverb is one of them and one of the very important part of speech. As the very name indicates, adverbs is a combination of adjective plus verbs. Therefore, we can call it a modifier or a qualifier. It is a word, an adverb is a word that tells us more about either an adjective or a verb. Let's see how. Here, if you try to find out a definition, the definition says a word which tells us more about a verb and also an adjective is called an adverb. There are different types of adverbs. Let's see what they are. Okay, let's see the types of adverbs. You might be familiar with these words happily, quickly, always, fast. All these are different types of adverbs and they are categorized into usually 5 types are very commonly used in the English language. The 5 major types of adverbs are, let's have a look at them. These are adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, and adverb of degree. We'll talk about them a little in further detail. All these types tell us something about the adverbs. Now look at this information carefully, class. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or even sometimes an other adverb. And it tells us, now what questions basically an adverb solves is how an action is happening, where it is happening, when it is happening, to which extent, how much is it happening, and how often it happens. Kitni baar hota hai. All these are the things, the questions that are answered when we use a single adverb. Now let's talk about the adverb of time. When you want to know about something that when it happened, it is called adverb of time. For example, already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday. All these are examples of adverb types. I have heard this before. She'll be here soon. I haven't spoken to her yet. The second type is adverb of frequency. How often, when you want to know that how often something happens, how many times it happens. Always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, once. It's always cold in this room. Always is the adverb telling us how often cold happens. I normally go to the gym. How often do you go? Normally. They often go out for dinner. How often they go for dinner? Now the third type, adverb of place, where something happens. Here, everywhere, anywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upwards. All these are adverbs of place, telling where something is happening. Is that your scarf there? I've lived here for about 2 years. Now you're looking, all these colored words, they are telling the type of adverb. The next type is adverb of manner, and it tells manner, as the very name indicates, how something happens. So, slowly, fast, badly, beautifully, loudly, delightfully, sweetly. The soldiers fought bravely. Is that so? She dresses beautifully. Now all these colored words again are telling you the adverbs that how something has happened. Adverb of degree, almost, fully, rather, quite, Two, enough. All these are examples and many others, along with I'm fully prepared. I'm rather busy. She's almost 30, telling the degree to which level something has happened. What is the ratio? That solves the adverb of degree. Fully, rather, almost, perfectly, weakly. An adverb of affirmation. Now, in fact, these instead of six, these are the five types: time, frequency, place, manner, and degree that are most commonly used in the English structures. Therefore, we'll talk about these in detail.